Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you cannot miss any of my videos. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make tacos. In my previous video I was making Oreo ice cream, but in today's video I'll be making tacos with ground beef. Okay guys, now let's get on to the video. Woo! What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be making tacos. So let's start with the minced meat. We're going to start with the minced meat first. So first you're going to turn on your stove. Then you're going to put a little bit of vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever is fine. Now you're going to put your onions. And now you're going to mix. Make sure it is perfectly mixed. Now we are going to add the ground beef, 25 pounds or any fine. Sorry. Make sure it is minced meat. And now you're going to mix. Sorry. Now you're going to mix with the minced meat. Now you're just mixing with the ground beef. And now you're going to add 25 grams of taco seasoning. Make sure you mix it very well. And now I'm going to add the tomatoes. And now you're going to mix. Then you're going to add a little bit of salsa. Okay. That is done. Now you're going to mix. Now I'm just gonna add the spices and the salt. So I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding the 1 teaspoon of salt, I'm just going to mix a little bit. You can add bell peppers, guys. Just make sure you mix it very well. And now for the spices, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon powder. Then I'm going to add a little bit of ginger. The ginger is done, so I'm just going to use the ginger powder. Then I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. Then I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg. And now I'm going to mix it. Make sure you put enough taco seasoning, or you can add more if you want it to be spicy. I have added a little bit more. It is actually 25 grams, but I have added a little bit more because I like spicy food. Okay guys, now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Wait a second guys. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Just a little bit. For this stew, we can't just let it sit like that. So now I'm going to continue mixing. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, that is done. Now I'm going to mix. You can add also soy sauce, but I just don't want to. Okay guys, and now you're going to let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes. Now these are the toppings. So while we are waiting for the mincemeat, this is the tortillas. This is just a little bit of chopped onions. Then we have a little bit of grated cheese. This is for the filling. We have a little bit of grated cheese. And we have a little bit of salsa. And half chopped onion. So for the mixing. Now you see, now the minced meat is done. Or the ground beef is done. Now I'm just gonna give it a little bit of mix. Now it's time for the filling. For the tortillas or taco shells, you're just going to put it in like this. Now first I'm going to add the minced meat. Ooh, this is a little bit hard. So I'm just gonna fold the tortilla like that. Now for that I'm going to add a little bit of the beef. Just going to add it like that. Now I'm going to add a little bit of chopped onions. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salsa. And this is it. This is the first one. And you'll continue to the rest. Now guys, you have your taco. Okay guys, now you have your taco right here. Now I'm just gonna take a little bite. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you cannot miss any of my videos. So guys, check out my blog. It is down in the description. See you next week for another video.